Dear students, in this video we will start the analysis of Francis turbine. What happens in the case of Francis turbine? The work done per second is equal to rho q Vw1 u1 minus Vw2 u2. Actually, what happens, the best efficiency occurs only when the outlet at outlet velocity triangle Vw2 becomes 0. That's why the work done per second, what happens, Vw2 becomes 0, then work done per second in case of Francis turbine we get rho q Vw1 u1. I already discussed to you and tell you that what is the degree of reaction. Actually, I have told you, and before the lockdown in the classroom, and already derived this derivation to you. The degree of reaction may be defined as the ratio of pressure energy change inside the runner over total energy change inside the runner. What happens? Pressure energy change inside the runner is this, and total energy change inside the runner is this. The flow ratio is equal to Vf1 upon under root 2 as I already told you, and this formula you have used many times, and flow ratio lies in between 0.15 to 0.3, and the speed ratio Ku is equal to u1 upon under root 2 gs. This value exists in between 0.6 to 0.9, and discharge through the turbine is equal to pi d1 b1, Vf1 is equal to pi d2 into Vf2. Okay. As you can see, in this case it is an inward radial flow reaction turbine. Inward radial flow reaction turbine means radially water flows and it flows toward the center of the turbine. Scroll casing, what is a scroll casing? Basically, scroll casing is used to eventually distribute the water along the periphery and maintaining the constant velocity for the water. Okay, the angle of straight divergent type draft tube should not be more than 8 डिग्री. ओके, तो स्ट्रेट डाइवर्जेंट टाइप ऑफ ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, 8 डिग्री से ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, ठीक है, अदरवाइज एडीज विल बी फॉर्म्ड. दिस इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. एक्चुअली दिस वीडियो is totally focused for the some important points regarding the turbine and pump. तो एडी फॉर्मेशन ना हो और एफिशिएंसी कम ना हो, तो इसके लिए जो डाइवर्जेंट स्ट्रेट डाइवर्जेंट टाइप ऑफ ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब होता है वो किससे ज़्यादा होता है, 8 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होता है. और ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब को ऑलरेडी वीडियो हम डाल चुके हैं. नाउ सी some important facts of different turbines. Initially, the Kaplan turbine, its velocity triangle and calculation of velocity efficiency is similar as Francis turbine. It is axial flow reaction turbine. Runner of Kaplan turbine has 4 to 6 blades. Okay. Now some performance turbines units already discussed to previous videos. If we talk about the performance unit quantity or performance characteristics, and already derived some derivations as this. If we see about, if we establish the relation for the unit power, then what happens, the power is directly proportional to overall efficiency as well as water power, and finally shaft power is directly proportional to discharge into head. And what happens, discharge is also directly proportional to h to power 1 by 2. That's why P is directly proportional to h to power 1 by 2 into h. Finally we get P is directly proportional to h to power 3 by 2. Now unit power having a formula is P is equal to h to power 3 by 2. Okay, before this value before this value, already discussed to you that what is the significance of unit quantities. What happens, unit power हो गया, as in this chapter, unit speed, unit discharge and unit power. Actually unit speed and unit discharge is similar. Both unit values are equal to these values, as unit speed is equal to n upon under root h, qu is equal to q upon under root h, and pu is equal to p upon h to power 3 by 2. Now the derivation of specific speed or shape number. What is a how can establish the relation between the specific speed and shaft power? So already I have derived the formula for specific speed, and one time, because of this is a brief lecture video, and basically what is the specific speed? Actually specific speed of the turbine may be defined as the speed of the turbine when the turbine is geometrically similar in turbines which delivers unit power under unit head, and this formula Ns is equal to n under root p upon h to power 5 by 4 is for hydraulic turbine. Now model laws of turbine, already discussed to you model laws of turbine. Actually what happens, for to design the turbine, actually in starting what happens, suppose that we are interested into design the turbine which delivers 94% efficiency, while presently a turbine is running in market which delivers 85% efficiency. Then what happens, we made a model and changes some parameter dimensions subjected to the prototype, and the newly manufactured turbine is considered as model, and that model is tested in the lab, experimental lab, and when that model is successfully function, then that type of model which would be converted into the various type of prototypes, and the market may have a turbine which having the more value. Now, similarity of model and prototype turbines are based on the assumptions that efficiency of model is equal to that of prototype, but the efficiency of prototype is more than model efficiency. This is known as scale effect. Now first is coefficient of discharge, then head coefficient, and this power coefficient, already discussed to you. This side for the model, this side for the prototype. Okay, so on the behalf of this formula, we can establish the model relationship to design hydraulic turbines. Okay, thank you.